Good morning everyone. So today in this video lesson, we will discuss about simple annuity. So pag sinabi natin annuity plus, ito yung payment na hindi isahan lang. Yung isang bagsakan lang na pagbabayad, so ito yung tinatawag natin installment. Halimbawa, kumuha ka ng appliances. So ang pagbabayad mo is in different payment intervals or payment intervals period. Like for example, kinuha mo buwanan ka magbabayad, ibig sabihin monthly ang ibabayad. So we're going to illustrate simple and general annuities according to payment interval and interest period. Simple annuity. This is an annuity where the payment interval is the same as the interest period. And general annuity. This is an annuity where the payment interval is not the same as the interest period. According to time of payment, ordinary annuity or annuity immediate is a type of annuity in which the payments are made at the end of each payment interval. Contingent annuity. This is an annuity in which the payment extends over an indefinite or indeterminate length of time. According to duration, annuity certain. This is an annuity in which payment begin and end at definite times. So, dito naman tayo sa differentiate simple annuity from general annuity. Each payment in an annuity is called the periodic payment sa capital letter R. The time between the successive payment dates of an annuity is called the payment interval. The time between the first payment interval and last payment interval is called term of the annuity. Small letter T. The sum of the future values of all the payments to be made during the entire term of the annuity is the future value or the amount of an annuity is a capital letter F. The sum of the present values of all payments to be made during the entire term of the annuity is called the present value of an annuity, the capital letter P. Dako naman tayo sa formula. Simple annuity. First, to find the present value simple annuity, regular payment time 1 minus the quantity of 1 plus R over N rate to negative total number of conversion over annual rate, where P is present value, R is regular payments, small r is interest rate per period, small t is number of years, and where R over N is annual rate, N is number of conversion period in a year. Quantity is negative and T is total number of conversion. And pag ang kukunin naman natin ay future value of simple ordinary annuity, that is R or the regular payment time the quantity of 1 plus R over N raised to NT negative 1 over annual rate, where F future value or amount. R is regular payment, small r is interest rate period, small t is number of years, where R over N is annual rate, N is number of conversion period in a year, relative total number of